Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear little friends. How are you all today? I hope you're feeling fantastic. Guess what? Today we have a super fun and exciting lesson from Zara Publications' new Howard series for English Nursery. So are you ready to learn something new and amazing? Let's begin.
Activity. We are going to match letters with the correct pictures and color them. Look at the left side of the page. You will see small and big letters inside colored circles. Each letter has a matching picture on the right side. Your task? Find the picture that starts with the given letter and color it. Let's read each letter and find its correct picture together. 1. Letter E. What sound does E make? E for elephant. E for egg. Look at the first row. Which picture starts with E? Yes, the elephant. Color the elephant. 2. Letter B. What sound does B make? B for ball. B's a banana. Look at the second row. Which picture starts with B? Yes, the banana. Color the banana. 3. Letter C. What sound does C make? C for cow and C for cat. Look at the third row. Which picture starts with C? Yes, the cat. Color the cat. 4. Letter D. What sound does D make? D for dolphin and D for dog. Look at the fourth row. Which picture starts with D? Yes, the dolphin. Color the dolphin. 5. Letter A. What sound does A make? A for aeroplane and A for apple. Look at the fifth row. Which picture starts with A? Yes, the aeroplane. Color the aeroplane. 6. Letter F. What sound does F make? F for fish and F for flag. Look at the last row. Which picture starts with F? Yes, the fish. Color the fish. Wonderful! We learned how to match letters with their pictures and practiced recognizing sounds. Now, find more words at home that start with A, B, C, D, E, and F. Great work, everyone! See you next time for another fun learning session. Hi!